Pinky Verma.
Namaskar, sir.
Very good, madam. Since April 2021, going through constant cough and cold. Taking homeopathy medicine too. It is defined, the item is bronchitis. Taking all the precautions and I am unable to get rid of this ailment. It's affecting my overall health. Please give us a guide me towards the healthy side, sir. After PPH, my life has changed and I have started living consciously. Thank you. Madam, how are you healing yourself, madam? With a wand.
Sir, I'm.
Minus
Yes, sir.
minus the homeopathy.
Yeah, medicine I'm taking from homeopathy, but this ailment.
Madam, what is homeopathy, madam?
Sir, I know this is the sweet, that medicine that I get it.
No, what is homeopathy?
I can't define that, sir.
Madam, homeopathy is poison diluted 100 times, 1,000 times, or even 1,000,000 times. Poison diluted 1,000,000 times. Let's say take one drop of cobra venom. You put inside. What happened to you?
It's not.
Come on, madam. I'm just saying you put one drop of cobra venom into your water and you drink. What happened to you?
It will poison.
You will die, madam, in 4 or 5 minutes. You
Okay.
suffocate and you cannot breathe, your whole lungs get arrested and you die. That's how the animal used to kill other animals to eat it. You can even bite a whole elephant. An elephant can also fall down. That's how powerful the venom is. Now what if I dilute the venom 1,000 times? I put a drop of water,
We will die
I
slowly.
throw,
Then.
huh?
We will die slowly.
You
Then.
will fall sick, madam, you won't die.
Oh.
1,000 times you won't die. You will fall sick. You will have the symptoms. Okay, madam, but during that time, madam, your body wakes up. Your body starts reacting. And while that time it happens, it starts curing your other illnesses. Your body wakes up. It's like you're sleeping. You have a daughter?
I have a daughter, I have a son.
I have a husband, madam. How old is your husband?
My husband is 37 years old.
Okay, but let's say he's sleeping in the bed. He's very lazy. No, I'm very lazy. I'm tired. I don't want to get up. Okay, madam, he's saying that, madam. Huh? Okay, madam, for example, catch a cobra and put in the bed, madam. What will happen to him? Madam, your husband is in the bed and he cannot get up. He's too tired, he's lazy, don't want to get up. No, I don't want to get up, I want to sleep. And you're waking him up, he doesn't want to wake up. Okay, madam? You catch a snake and put in the bed, madam. Cobra.
Then obviously he'll run away.
That is homeopathy, madam. That is homeopathy. Understand, madam?
Okay.
Your body wakes up. Your body
So
wakes
what
up.
should I do, sir? Because I am, every day at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I get sneezing, I start coughing.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the evening and the morning, madam.
Morning, sir, early morning.
Early morning, huh? There's one lady who's not happy with you. That's because of that. The call is coming to you at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, something coming to you. 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, it goes. From 4 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the morning, madam, it goes away because of a lady. A soul is visiting you. That soul is coming because of a lady from your husband's family. Do you understand, madam?
Okay, sir.
Think of a
So
lady
how
from
will-
husband family not happy with you.
Yeah.
Think of a lady from your husband family not happy with you.
My mother-in-law.
Huh?
Sir, maybe my mother-in-law. My
Just
sister-
think, madam, I don't want name her because all of the people watching, they might know your mother-in-law, you know. There are 20 people watching, madam, they might know your mother-in-law. They might go tell, hey, the woman calling her name out. Huh? Just think, madam, just think of a lady, I say. Huh? All of you here, please don't mention name, just think of somebody, that's all. Think of a lady, madam.
Sure, sir.
Okay, good. Read page number 7 now.
Sure, sir.
Does she do a lot of puja, madam?
Very less, sir. Just light a lamp.
Not you, lah, your mother-in-law, madam.
No, she doesn't. No.
No puja at all?
Very less.
Sometimes 4 o'clock is the Brahma Muhurta, madam. You might get visitors. Please page number 7 for mother-in-law. Okay, madam, done. What's the temperature around that time in your country, in your city? Any idea?
Sir, yes, sir, I can tell you.
4 o'clock in the morning, madam.
Sir, it could be, it's 25, 28, 28 to between 30. It remains.
No, cannot be 28, madam. Cannot be 28. You're much colder. You're much colder, madam.
In Delhi, I am in Delhi, sir.
Okay, much you should be colder right now. You're already going to September, madam, October.
Yes, sir.
Much more colder, madam.
But yes, humidity is there in the environment, so because of that, it gets a bit more. But yes, in night, sir, it's getting colder.
Yes, madam. It'll be at least about 22 degrees C, madam.
Yes.
22, madam, and then it goes on towards December, it'll go down to maybe about 5 or 10 or 15 or go down. Understand, madam?
Yes,
It's
sir.
colder in Delhi than Mumbai, madam. By right now, at this month, September, October, you should be at least about 20 degrees C, madam. Or 25,
But
20.
yes, sir. So what should I do? Should I leave that medicine? Anything that I?
No. We never tell you about leaving medicine. You do whatever you like. I'm just saying that the God soul is coming now, the soul will not come. Tell me how you feel tomorrow. If it happens, you heal your nose chakra and your chin chakra and your lower throat chakra. Can you do that? Throat
Yes, sir,
chakra,
definitely.
chin chakra, nose chakra, and the cheek chakra. You heal them first. And don't take ice water.
Yes, sir. That I'm not taking because you advised me earlier as well. So I've left sugar and that maida, all the things I've left it. So even I don't feel eating sugar at all.
Should not eat sugar, madam, as much as you possibly can. Slowly you cut down. If you guys all can cut down sugar 50%, madam, you cannot go out and eat any food that is sugar. You cannot eat. It is so sweet, unimaginable sweet. It's just like if you reduce the sugar, if it's salt, you won't be able to go out and eat any food, madam. Everything will be so salty, You try and see it. Because the food outside all, madam, they make you put a lot of salt and sugar to make you more addictive to that. Keep on eating. You know what I mean? It's like when you make all these peanuts. The peanut they fry the peanut. Try
Yes,
eating with salt and try eating without salt. With salt you can keep on eating and eating, madam. Without salt you cannot. You stop after some time.
Right, sir.
You try and see. Even popcorn. You cannot eat popcorn without a sugar or without a salt. You cannot eat that. Have you ever tried eating popcorn with sugar and salt, madam?
No, sir.
You
I don't
cannot eat. Madam, you can take 1 glass of milk to drink. Okay? 2 glass drink. But how much ice cream can you eat, madam? It's the sugar and the flavoring that makes you eat.
Yes, sir.
And that ice cream, madam, come from milk only. But you can't drink so much of milk. Your body says enough in milk. This 1 glass is enough. The body tells you. But when the sugar and the coloring and the smell come, I don't know when to stop. It's very nice. Some more ice cream, some more eating, madam. The kids can drink all the ice cream, madam, but give them milk, they say, no, I don't want milk, it's enough. But ice cream, they can keep on eating, madam. This is how the whole industry has found a way to make people eat more and more, and they make money, madam.
Yes, sir.
Simple as that. Coloring, flavoring, coloring, and all. No, it's all how to make you keep on drinking and drinking. You see, when you go to, today they got chocolate flavored milk, strawberry flavored milk, vanilla flavored milk. If you get plain milk, the children cannot drink. They can't drink the plain milk. They must put some flavoring for the thing, and they start eating it. So more and more, madam. Correct or not, madam?
Definitely, sir.
So you must be very, very
Sir,
careful.
I want to say thank you to you because of your this job removal and all. I got the job which I wanted.
Wow, very nice, madam. Very nice. I
just wanted to share it.
I hope everybody can get a job and get all the money they have, madam. They want. That's what I want to do.
My life has changed drastically
Very
from
good.
a housewife to a business wife woman now.
Very good.
Thank
madam.
you
Very
so
good.
much.
Keep on doing.
Everything is
And go and help other women around. Go and help other women.
Yes,
madam.
sir.
That's all.
Yes,
That's the
sir,
most.
that I'm doing.
You must share with other women so their life can become better, madam. That's all. Okay, madam? Right. Thank you very
Sure,
much.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just take care of your mother-in-law. That's all. You'll be fine.
Sure, sir. Sure.